What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now what I'm doing, I'm just cooking some chili, watching Cars and Cameras. So right now I'm just cooking some chili for dinner for the rest of the week. I'm also waiting for my dad's bed to get here so that after that I can pretty much leave. So he just got one of those sleep number beds because he was having a hard time sleeping on all these other beds. He was buying like 2 beds a year pretty much, and buying one of those beds honestly equals up to the amount like 2 beds per year almost, probably about. So he decided to get one of those, so I'm just waiting for delivery of that. I'm just cooking my chili. I put like 5 or 10 different peppers into my chili. And if you guys ever wondered what this plant over here was, it's a Carolina Reaper plant actually. I'm surprised this thing actually still produced. Like, this should have been done producing like probably like a couple months, like 2 months ago probably, whenever it got cold outside. But yeah, I think this is gonna be our last batch, but I can't say that because if you see these little guys right here, these little guys right here, that is a sign of pepper growth. Like, it's gonna produce pepper, so she might have one more producing cycle left in her before technically it's winter months, but it's inside, so realistically, it's hot. It's warm in here. It's about 70 degrees, but as I know about these plants, they don't produce unless it's like 76 to like a little bit over 80, and if it's 90, they don't produce. So I don't know. It just keeps producing, and I'm gonna take it. So far, we got probably like what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 peppers on this. I had 20 on it in the middle of the summer. There's 20 of peppers all up the branch, down the branch, all on these guys. I got a little guy here growing. I got a real little guy here growing, which he died out there. I left him out in the freezing cold. Same with him. He did the same thing, but he came back to life. If you look really closely, there is green leaves coming out, so there might be hope for her. So I'm probably gonna be picking this big guy here. I'm probably gonna pick him or this guy because he's been ripening the most. He was the first one to ripen out of this bunch here. So I may either pick the really big guy, throw him in the chili, or the little guy, or this medium guy right here. Now, when I say this pepper's hot, like, it's super hot. Like, I could probably take smaller than that piece right there, just say for a size comparison. There's that little piece of my finger, smaller than that I had of that pepper. But for that small little piece, the amount of heat that I got from it, it was insane. Like, it literally flared up my tongue. Like, it wasn't unbearable, but it was just kind of like, okay, it was like I ate a whole habanero pepper almost. It would be very interesting, which I probably might do for a video on that. I might just eat one of my little guys here, this little guy and that little guy. We'll see. I don't know if I want to put myself to the torture yet. Or that little guy. He's small. All right, I finished chopping up the peppers here. My eyes are burning from the onions. You got red pepper, orange pepper, green pepper, and yellow onion. So I'll put that in the pot here. Now I'm gonna say what's in the pot. As I remember what peppers are in the pot. There's jalapeno, ama something pepper, I don't know, something like that. Long hot pepper, jalapeno. I think I said that already though. What else is there? Poblano, serrano. There's 2 other peppers in that no, I didn't name. I just forget the name of them. But then you got your red pepper, your orange pepper, your green pepper, and your onion. And then I'm gonna be chopping up that last so that I gotta wear gloves when I cut that up, or if you touch your eyes or touch anything down below, it'll burn. So I just gotta throw this in here, and then I just gotta throw cut the celery up, throw that in there again. Then you got some beans. I got some extra sauce just in case it looks like it's overloaded by all the other stuff. So go from there. Also, I also cook chopped meat too. So, all right, guys. So I add a little bit of Carolina Reaper. Now that little bit right there will probably actually be too much for this chili, actually, because it's. Let's say this. I have some of the thickest gloves you can get at CVS, and I could lick my finger right now, which I already did. Mouth's burning. And it would just burn your mouth. It would just go right through the glove of whatever you have. Alright, the chili's all cooking. I'm about to go edit a video over there. Also, the bed just came in. They just came in and flopped it in. These things, I will say about these beds, they are very comfortable. They accustomed to your back. Oh, it feels so good. So that was really nice. Like this bed, 100%. Like they're expensive, way more expensive. Like I'm not gonna get my own for a long time, but I definitely would recommend them. Like they're very comfortable. As I know, I'll let you guys know later on, how my dad thinks of it and everything. But other than that, I have no clue about the bed. I just know that when we went there, it was very comfortable. But I don't know about longevity, so I'll let you guys know in like a month or like little by little what my dad thinks. Alright guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. I'm gonna begin going to my girlfriend's house in a little bit, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.